Welcome to Smart Mandarin, where I offer complete video courses for beginners. If you like my videos on YouTube, you can join me on my Patreon to watch more video lessons and my ebook and my podcast. Or simply just purchase my complete courses on Teachable to get a lifetime access to my video courses. Now, let's begin today's lesson.
Hello, 你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin video lesson. Today, as usual, I want to give you 5 vocabulary from HSK2. Now, let's get started. 不用 literally means not use, but it means no need. Okay, 不用. For example, you could say, 你不用学中文. You don't need to learn Mandarin Chinese. You probably don't need it, or you're already a native speaker of Mandarin Chinese. So people would say to you, 你不用学中文. You no need to learn Mandarin Chinese. 不用，你不用学中文. Or another expression we could say, 不用 is there's no money required. We could say, 不用钱，不用钱。不用钱 literally means don't need money and don't need to use money, but it means for free. So if someone give you something and say 这个不用钱, which means this is free. It's a colloquial way to say free in Mandarin. 这个不用钱, this is free. 这个不用钱. Another way you could say for free is 免费. 免费, it means free of charge. So 免费 sounds more formal. 不用钱 is more colloquial. Next one. 念书 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 is the same as 读书 读书 念书 and 读书 both means to study. Usually we talk about 念书 读书 means study for a test, study for learning a certain knowledge, or study in a school. So 念书, for example, if we want to say where do you study? Where do you go to school? We would say 你在哪里念书? Where do you go to school? If the person is a student, you can ask where do you study? Means where do you go to school? 你在哪里念书? 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 To answer this question, you can say 我在 and the name of university or name of the school and 念书. 我在哒哒哒念书. 我在 name of the school 念书. Next one is 以前以前以前 means before and ago. Okay, so there are many ways we can use 以前. You could say 我以前在这里念书. Before I studied here. I went to school here previously or before. 我以前在这里念书. So I studied here before. 我以前在这里念书. So when we talk about 以前, you probably previously, some time ago, or maybe a long time ago. Okay? 以前. And the next usage for 以前, you can put a period of time. You could say 5 years ago. In Mandarin, you could say 5年以前. 5年以前. So you want to say, I didn't know how to speak French 5 years ago. You would say 5年以前我不会说法文. 5年以前 5 years ago. 我不会说法文. I didn't know how to speak French. So 5 years ago, I didn't know how to speak French. Or you can put a certain time and 以前. 今天放学以前，请给我你的功课。今天放学以前，请给我你的功课。放学 means after school, so finish school. 今天放学以前 so before finish school today 请给我 please give me 你的功课 your homework. Please give me your homework. Handing your homework before school finished today. 今天放学以前，请给我你的功课。Next one is 事情。事情 it means things or matter, and the measure word for 事情 is 件. So one thing is 一件事情。一件事情。So if you want to say, I want to tell you one thing, you would say 我要告诉你 to tell you 一件事情。我要告诉你一件事情。I want to tell you a thing, one thing. Okay? 我要告诉你一件事情。Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to write your sentences below in the comment. I'll make sure to check that. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。
Hi there, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to become an exclusive member of Smart Mandarin, you can join me on my Patreon to support me or purchase my complete courses with lifetime access of my lessons on Teachable, where I guide beginner students with my lessons step by step. I hope to see you in the program. 谢谢你们，再见。